Breakfast doesn't have to be fancy to be satisfying. This wholesome Kenyan breakfast is filling, delicious, and very easy to make. Let's start by boiling the eggs. Place as many eggs as you'll need to a saucepan and fill it with enough water to cover them. Bring it to a gentle boil and cook for about 10 minutes or until they reach your desired doneness. Once they are ready, run them under cold water to stop the cooking and make peeling easier. Peel and set them aside. Simple, clean protein that pairs perfectly with the rest of this plate. Now to the sausages. Add a little bit of oil to a frying pan and let it heat up. Add the sausages and shallow fry them on medium heat. Turn them occasionally until they are golden brown and well cooked all around. They add a bit of savory richness to the breakfast and make it more filling. You can go with beef, chicken, or even plant-based sausages, whatever you prefer. You'll know they are ready when the outside is nicely browned and crisp. Place them on a plate lined with paper towel to absorb any excess oil. On to the arrowroots. These are pre-boiled Ndumas. I always keep them on the fridge boiled so that they last longer and make breakfast prep much easier. Some of them are too large, so I'm cutting them into bite-sized pieces. I'm using the same pan I cooked the sausages in so they can pick up a little extra flavor. Place the Nduma pieces in and let them sear lightly for a few minutes until they are golden on the edges and warmed through. You can also just pop them in the microwave if you prefer to warm them that way. Nduma is packed with complex carbs and fiber, a perfect slow-release energy source for your morning. They are soft in the inside, slightly crisp on the outside, and full of that earthy flavor we love. For a dose of caffeine, let's make some white coffee. To a saucepan, add some water. Add 1 tablespoon of ground coffee, a sprinkle of cinnamon for warmth and aroma, and sugar to sweeten. Mix and bring it to a boil. Let it simmer for about 5 minutes to deepen the flavor. Next, pour in some fresh milk. Simmer for another 5 minutes to make it rich, creamy, and smooth. To bring everything together, I'll be making a quick kachumbari. To a bowl, add diced red onions for crunch and sharpness, and juicy tomatoes for freshness and color. Squeeze in some fresh lemon juice to brighten it all up. Season with salt and pepper, then mix until well combined. It adds brightness, crunch, and a dose of vitamins that will balance out the heavier parts of the breakfast. Now let's serve. Scoop a few pieces of the golden arrowroots, add 2 sausages and 2 boiled eggs, and a generous spoonful of the kachumbari. Pour yourself a hot cup of the white coffee, and you have a wholesome, balanced breakfast that hits all the right notes: energy, protein, freshness, and warmth. Perfect for a busy morning or a lazy weekend. Try it out and check out my other breakfast recipes for more simple ideas for everyday mornings. See you there.